Hi everybody, welcome back to my farmhouse life. I'm Marnay, and have you ever wondered how a one-armed girl puts her hair in a ponytail? Well, today I'm going to show you. Okay, so I'm going to start off by wetting my hair a little bit because I do need a little dampness in it. So I like these little fronts here, you know, to hang down that kind of frame my face. So I'm just going to, I have a lot of hair. And when I go to work, I have to have my hair in some kind of a ponytail or a bun, which is a bun would be a great thing to show you as well. I want you to know this has taken me lots of practice to learn how to do this, probably months. A lot of foot stomping, a lot of hairbrush throwing, and a lot of cuss words. But I have finally mastered it, and I do it every day. But and this is a lot of people ask me how I do this as well, and I'm getting my hair and I want to pull it up kind of high and off my neck because I do have a lot of hair, and this is more of a feel thing for me. With my fingers and my thumb, I pull my hair through the scrunchie, get my fingers back around, and I'm going to pull it back through again. And hopefully keep all my hair in. Sometimes this takes me a couple of tries. I don't always get it perfect every time, but most of the time I do. It's just something that sometimes I get hair caught, or if I look in the back of it and I don't like it, I'll pull it back out. And it might take me 2 or 3 times before I go to work because I'm a little bit of a perfectionist where I like my hair just so, with no lumps and bumps, and now I have to kind of tighten my ponytail, and I still feel like it's a little loose, and I don't like loose hair. Sometimes I'll wet them down and do a little hairspray, but tightening it up, I like it drawed up. So it feels pretty good, and I have a handy little mirror that I keep. I like to use this to kind of look in the back and make sure there's no lumps and bumps, and I think it looks pretty good. So, and then I have a curling brush. I like to curl these little things here around my face, so I have a little curling brush here, and I just kind of swipe it into my hair and kind of wrap it around, and voila, I get these nice little curls that make my hair kind of frame my face. And sometimes in my ponytail, if I want a few little ends, I don't like flyaways, and so I kind of put a few curls in there just to make it look and fall kind of natural and make it look nice. So kind of a cool thing. I hope this has helped and inspired you, but it's taken me a lot of practice to do this, but hopefully maybe I've amazed you. Thanks. Okay, so I showed you how to do the ponytail. I'm going to show you how I put my hair in a bun, because sometimes I like to take my hair and just put it all up. Like I said, this is really a feel thing for me, and it's taken me practice and it's hard to explain, but I like to get my hair where I can get it all into my hand and around and underneath, and I'm pulling all my hair up under my fingers. So I've kind of got a ponytail, which is pretty easy to do. So, and I'm working that ponytail up off my neck. Now that I've got it pulled into a ponytail, I put my fingers down and under around, which I don't know what I'm doing because this is all by feel. And then I'm just taking my hair and I'm twisting it and twisting and twisting and twisting. And sometimes this takes several times to get this where I really want it, but so after I've got it twisted, I'm going to wrap it around, and I can feel, and I like to get it nice and tight. And I just keep wrapping my hair around, and then I take my thumb and I'm holding the end of it, and this is where it's going to get a little quirky, but I'm holding my thumb and I bend down, grab my scrunchie, hold it with my other finger while I take my thumb and wrap it around the scrunchie, and then it should hold it enough where I can get it in there. And I can feel that it's not perfect. It's not the way I like it. So I will do this several times before I feel like it's where I want it. But hopefully you get the general idea. So a lot of people ask me, you know, how I put my hair in a ponytail and how I've done it in a bun. And another question people ask me is, how do I do my toothpaste? So my toothbrush, I put it under my chin and I would put my toothpaste on. Just so you know, I use my feet, my knees, and my shoulder and chin for a lot of things to compensate for my missing left arm. So if you have any questions on, you know, certain things or how I do things, or if you're curious, let me know and I'll try to do it in another demonstration.